Hi guys, it's Johnny from Kalpanic Games. Today we're going to see what we're going to do in this section and what will be your final result for after in this section. Okay, so as you see, our character moves, and as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm not doing 4 directional movement due to keeping the sprite resources less and everything. Okay, so if you want, you can always use this blend tree, and I will provide a link for you to do that, so you can learn from somebody else about the blend tree. Okay, so now my character moves on left and right, and I can also move diagonally with pressing keys. And if you want to run, you press the shift key and you can run faster, move faster. Okay, and you can also, as you see, our character flips. Okay, I haven't added the animations. I will show you later how to add the animations and make a state machine or like a state manager, and how I deal things with changing states, like is it idle, is it like attacking, is it something, those things. Okay, now it's also dash. Okay, so if you go like this, it can dash, and you can change how much you want to dash and things like that. Okay, so that's just a demo of what we're going to do in this section. It seems really small, but writing clean and organized code takes a little while, so I will show you that. Okay, so I hope you and excited to build the things that you see, and I will show you in my next video how to do this. Okay, so until then, see you next time, and you can subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. Take care, bye.